Hey, this is Lorena. Welcome back to Pick It Up into another mouth-watering adventure in the kitchen. Today we are diving into the world of Valentines sweetness with these delightful pink strawberry cinnamon rolls. This true goodness is filled with Nutella and topped with some delicious strawberry cream cheese frosting. Just look at how moist and irresistible they are. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of making these dreamy pink strawberry cinnamon rolls. Here is how to get started. You will need milk, yogurt, 1 large egg, cinnamon, quick instant yeast, and unsalted butter. Combine the milk and butter, then microwave until melted. Before adding more ingredients, make sure it's lukewarm or at room temperature. We don't want to shock our yeast. Next, adding the yogurt, mix well, add 1 large egg, some vanilla extract, whisk until fully combined, and set aside. Now onto the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl of a stand mixer, combine flour, light brown sugar, granulated sugar, quick instant yeast, salt, and cinnamon for that extra kick of flavor. Let's talk yeast. For this recipe, we are using quick instant yeast, which means we can skip a step compared to other type of yeast. Unlike active dry yeast or fresh yeast, you don't need to brew quick instant yeast in warm water before using it. Nope, none of that fuzziness here. Instead, you can add quick instant yeast directly to your flour mixture, saving you time and hassle. Using a hook attachment, mix those dry ingredients and slowly add the egg mixture. And before it's fully combined, add some strawberry jello for an extra burst of flavor, without making the dough too wet by using fresh strawberries. Feeling extra fancy? Add a touch of pink coloring gel. Totally optional, but so pretty. Mix until fully combined and the dough looks nice and smooth, by letting the dough develop in some gluten. Once it's done, use a scraper to clean up the bowl. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it double in size on the counter. When the dough has doubled, roll it out onto a flour surface into a lovely rectangle. Now, here comes the fun part. Spread that delicious Nutella all over the dough. Roll it up tightly, like you are rolling up a cozy blanket on a chilly day. Prepare your baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, then using dental floss or a knife. Slice the roll into 12 equally sized pieces for that perfect clean cut. Place your rolls in the baking pan. Cover them with plastic wrap and let them rise for another hour until they've doubled in size again. Now here is a little trick to prevent the tops from browning too quickly. Cover them with aluminum foil before popping them in the oven. Bake those beauties in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. After that, uncover them and let them bake for another 10-15 minutes until they are golden brown and irresistible. While those heavenly rolls are baking, whip up some strawberry cream cheese frosting by adding a teaspoon of strawberry jello to your frosting. The full recipe is available on my website, bakeitup.ca, where you can download the recipe card for your convenience. Check the link in the description below for more. And voila! Once your cinnamon rolls are out of the oven and still warm, slather on that frosting. The more, the merrier. Trust me, you won't regret it. And there you have it. Our pink strawberry cinnamon rolls are ready to steal the show this Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more sweet treats, and be sure to check out my Valentine's playlist for even more love-filled recipes. Thanks for joining me on this baking adventure, and until next time, happy baking, and thank you for watching.